To use Magnifier on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you will have to start by opening the system settings. Now, you have to go into the accessibility and open vision enhancements, and here just go for the magnifier, not magnification, because this is the option to magnify your screen, but we are just looking the magnifier, and we have to open it by clicking here, and we get this simple adjustment panel, so we can zoom in by using this plus and the minus. And as you can see here, we can take a look closely in some objects and see a lot of details. Well, that's how it looks. When you click on the screen, you can even adjust the brightness, and you can even turn on the flashlight to even see some things much better in the dark scenario. And that's basically how it looks. Take a look. You can take the photos by clicking here. You can share them or quickly save. And now everything that is saved, you can find it in a gallery.